next topic is surface tension. Surface tension is basically a tension of the surface film of a liquid caused by attraction of particle in surface layer by the bulk of liquid, which tends to minimize surface area. इन सिंपल वर्ड वी कैन से लिक्विड जो है वो बिहेव करता है एज स्ट्रेच्ड इलेक्ट्रिक मेम्ब्रेन, जो कि रिजिस्ट करता है एक्सटर्नल फोर्स को विदाउट रप्चरिंग और एक्सर्ट करता है प्रेशर इनवर्ड्स ऑफ द रेस्ट ऑफ द लिक्विड. This force causes a liquid to assume the form of a spherical drop, in which form it has the smallest surface area of given volume. The molecules of a solution are strongly attracted to each other but only to a very short distance. Molecules seem to be attracted equally to all sides and thus are free to move in any direction. Molecules जो आप देख रहे हैं, जो सेंटर वाली लाइन में थे, जो आप कह सकते हैं अगर ये 4, 8 और 12 मॉलिक्यूल हैं वाटर के, ये जो आपको डायग्राम में नज़र आ रहा है, तो जो नीचे वाली 2 लेयर्स हैं वो 4 साइड से जो हैं उनके ऊपर अट्रैक्शन है. ठीक है, वो 4 तरफ से उनके ऊपर जो है आपस में जो है वो अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं मॉलिक्यूल्स को. ठीक है, इक्वली. ठीक है, लेकिन जो अपर लेयर पे 4 water molecules हैं do not have any molecule above them and so tend to be pulled downwards and sideward and the layer of the surface molecule is thus stretched. ठीक है, क्योंकि ऊपर कोई मॉलिक्यूल प्रेजेंट नहीं है उनको इक्वली स्ट्रेच करने के. ठीक है, तो उनका जो ऊपर वाली सरफेस है वो नीचे हो जाती है थोड़ी सी. ठीक है, थोड़ा डाउनवर्ड हो जाती है, स्ट्रेच्ड, क्योंकि नीचे की तरफ जो है अट्रैक्शन मॉलिक्यूल उसको डाउनवर्ड पुश कर रहे हैं और ऊपर वाली सरफेस पे कोई अवेलेबल नहीं है मॉलिक्यूल कि वो उसको अपवर्ड जो है वो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में उसको पुल करे. सो जो सरफेस पे लेयर होती है वो स्लाइटली जो है मॉलिक्यूल स्ट्रेच्ड हो जाते हैं डाउनवर्ड. Surface tension is the force or tension required to break this film and is defined as the force in dynes acting upon a line 1 centimeter long on the surface of the liquid. Surface tension is measured as ergs per centimeter or as dynes per centimeter. Soaps determine bile salt and produce reduce the surface tension, while salt like sodium chloride increase it. Bile salt, on account of their surface tension lowering property, greatly facilitate the emulsification and digestion of fats in small intestine. क्योंकि जब surface tension increase होता है तो surface area decrease हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो वो easily emulsify हो जाते हैं. The surface tension is also usually decreased by increase in temperature. Substances lowering the surface tension of a solvent in which they are dissolved become concentrated in surface layer. Substances which increase surface tension are less concentrated in the surface layer than in the bulk of solution. There are 2 methods to determine surface tension. First is drop method. Drop method is basically when a liquid is allowed to flow very slowly through a capillary tube. ये जो आपको डायग्राम में capillary tube नज़र आ रही है, a drop will form which will increase to a certain size and then fall down. For finding out the surface tension of a liquid relative to that of water, the number of drop produced by a given volume of the 2 liquid is found out. The apparatus used in this determination consists of a bulb fused with a capillary tube and is called a drop pipette or stalagometer. ये होल apparatus को हम कहते हैं stalagometer, जिसमें एक जो है बल्ब होता है और उसके साथ एक कैपिलरी ट्यूब अटैच होती है. Suppose we want to compare the surface tension of some oil with that of water. Water is first suck up the tube and the drops counted as the meniscus falls from A to B. ठीक है, then the drop pipette is dried and filled with the oil and the number of drops formed by the same volume as in case of water are counted. The relative surface tension of the oil is given by the following formula: number of drop of water divided by number of drop of oil into specific gravity of oil. It the word mentioning that lower the surface tension, smaller in the size of drop. The other method is using टॉर्जन बैलेंस और टेंसियोमीटर, और यहाँ हम इसे ड्यूनोइज मेथड भी कहते हैं. In this method, a light metal ring is set on the surface of the liquid. When the ring is raised, a film of liquid clings to it. The amount of force required to pull the ring and break the film is measured and give the surface tension. For example, एक वाटर की सरफेस है, जब सरफेस टेंशन प्रोड्यूस होती है तो वाटर जो है स्लाइटली उस रिंग को रेज कर देता है. It is the surface which separate a liquid from air or other gases, or which separate one liquid from other, is called interface. Interfacial tension is the same as surface tension and is probably a better term than surface tension. This tension also exists at the boundary between non-miscible liquid, oil and water, you can say. Even in colloidal solutions, some interfacial tension exists at boundary of the particle and the liquid phase. When there is no interfacial tension between two liquids, they will be fairly miscible. जो वाटर और ऑयल आपस में मिसिबल नहीं होते वो ड्यू टू इंटरफेशियल टेंशन की वजह से होता है. अगर वो नहीं होगी तो वो आपस में मिक्स हो जाएंगे. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज विस्कोसिटी. So what is viscosity? It's a quantity expressing the magnitude of internal friction in a fluid as measured by the force per unit area resisting uniform flow. Flowing is one of the characteristic property of all liquid, and this property is termed fluidity. Some liquid flow more readily and than others because they have more fluidity. The reciprocal of fluidity is called viscosity, which means the resistance offered by a liquid to flow. This resistance to flow depends on the friction of its component molecule as they flow past one another. Viscosity is believed to result from attraction of molecule from one to another as well as from asymmetry in their structure. Viscosity basically जो है वो एक जो प्रेजेंट है मॉलिक्यूल उनकी आपस में अट्रैक्शन की वजह से होती है जो कि रेसिस्ट करती हैं उस लिक्विड के फ्लो को. Thus, water will flow over a glass plate much faster than honey, and therefore water is said to have more fluidity and less viscosity. The rate of flow depends on nature of liquid and the force which produce the flow. For example, the liquid may be through the consist of a number of molecular layers arranged on one another. The displacement of different layers relative to one another is opposed to the internal friction or viscosity of the liquid. The rate of flow of a liquid is inversely proportional to the viscosity. जितनी ज़्यादा viscosity होगी rate of flow कम होगा. Higher the viscosity, lesser will be the flow. The viscosity of fluid is determined by Ostwald viscometer, which consists of a U-tube bearing two bulbs A and B, and in one arm a capillary is placed. The tube is placed vertically in thermostatically controlled bar. Sufficient water is placed in the bulb B to fill the tube to mark X. Water is then sucked at A or blown to Y to a point about 1 centimeter above B. The time for water to fall from mark X to Y is measured. After this, the whole procedure is repeated with the liquid whose viscosity is determined. Basically हम पहले वाटर से करते हैं और उसको रेफरेंस लेते हैं और उसके बाद जिस सोल्यूशन का हमने फाइंड करना होता है उसका सेम प्रोसीजर रिपीट करते हैं. और जो फार्मूला यूज़ करते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं डेंसिटी ऑफ अननोन सोल्यूशन इंटू T2 डिवाइडेड बाई डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर इंटू T1. Density of water being 1 does not affect calculation and may be omitted in this equation. Next is factor affecting the viscosity. First one is temperature. The viscosity of liquid decreases about 2% with each degree rise in temperature. Next is chemical composition. Viscosity of liquid generally depend upon its size, shape and chemical nature of liquid. अगर विस्कोसिटी ज़्यादा होगी लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल की देन स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूल और इलोंगेटेड मॉलिक्यूल की देन राउंड मॉलिक्यूल्स. नेक्स्ट इज कोलाइडल पार्टिकल्स. विस्कोसिटी ऑफ लायोफोबिक कोलाइडल सोल्यूशन जो है वो डिफ़र करती है, लेकिन जो लायोफिलिक कोलाइडल सोल्यूशन है उनकी विस्कोसिटी रिलेटिवली हाई होती है। इफेक्ट ऑफ सस्पेंडिंग मटेरियल इंक्रीज विस्कोसिटी इन प्रोपोर्शन टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सस्पेंडेड मटेरियल रिलेटिव टू द टोटल वॉल्यूम। जो विस्कोसिटी है ब्लड की वो वेरी करती है फ्रॉम 3 to 4 टाइम्स दैट ऑफ वाटर, और ये लार्जली डिपेंड कर रही होती है लायोफिलिक कोलाइडल सिस्टम की, जो कि प्रोटीन्स हैं, और ड्यू टू ग्रेट प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ सस्पेंडिंग मॉलिक्यूल जो कि हैं रेड ब्लड सेल। जो रेगुलेशन है इम्पोर्टेंस है, regulation of blood flow and blood pressure. The relative viscosity of plasma and serum is 1.4 to 1.8 times of water. When it goes up to between 4 to 7 or in the presence of abnormal protein, the patient develops signs and symptoms resulting directly from the increased viscosity, जिसे हम कहते हैं hyperviscosity syndrome. Although the viscosity of blood is also increased in leukemias and polycythemia, the term hyperviscosity syndrome is reserved for cases in which hyperviscosity of blood is brought about by an increased concentration of plasma proteins IgM and IgG in macroglobulinemia and IgG in myeloma. Serum viscosity may go up to as high as 12 to 15 times that of water. Normally it's 1.4 to 1.8. while normal serum is at the most 1.8 times. कोलेजन डिजीज़ जिसमें हमारे पास रिटोमाइड आर्थराइटिस और ल्यूपस एरिथेमाटोसस आता है, वो भी हाइपरविस्कोसिटी कोज कर सकते हैं प्लाज्मा की बाय इंक्रीजिंग प्लाज्मा लेवल ऑफ सर्टेन इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन्स. The common set clinical feature associated with plasma hyperviscosity are related to circulatory impairment and include recurrent bleeding from mucous membrane, from gums, nose, GIT tract, visual disturbances होती हैं, retinopathy, neurological disorders, headache, dizziness, vertigo, fits, hemiplegia and coma. Congestive cardiac failure may also be seen. The symptoms are thought to be due to in vivo RBC agglutination. In vivo means within the cell. All these symptoms can be readily reversed through temporarily by plasmapheresis. This is the technique in which appropriate amount of blood is removed from the body और प्लाज्मा को सेपरेट किया जाता है आरबीसी से और फिर रीट्रांसफ्यूज किया जाता है. The procedure will decrease the concentration of plasma protein, thus decreasing plasma viscosity. इसके अलावा कुछ ड्रग थेरेपी भी दी जाती है पेशेंट को.